Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have been thinking about upgrading the interior of your car without spending the hundreds or thousands of dollars, then you are at the right place. This is the video for you. Today, I will be unboxing the Florich FL301 premium leatherette car seat covers. We will take a close look at the quality, what's included in the box, the material, the design, and I will also share my first impressions before the installation. If you enjoy honest product reviews and automotive accessories, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like these. Let's get started. This is Florich FL301 premium leatherette seat cover set. The version I have today is the black with a red line color, and this is the full set, which includes the covers for the both front and rear seats. According to the manufacturer, these seat covers are designed to fit over 95% of the car, SUVs, trucks, while keeping important safety features like airbags and seat belts fully functional. Let's open the box and see what we get. And you can see from the outside, the box quality is so good, sturdy. So they ship the product in a really nice way. So let's open the box and see what we have inside. So you can see I have removed. The packaging looks so good, everything is intact and nice. You can see the Florich, you can see the instruction manual for the installation. So inside these you will find front seat covers, rear seat covers, headset covers, installation accessories, hooks, fastener, and user manual. Everything looks so good. So let's open it up each piece and we can see, touch the material and see the quality and how the product is. So now let's take a closer look at the material. The first thing I notice is how soft the leatherette feels. It has a smooth finish that's comfortable to touch while still feeling durable. The stitches looks great, clean, consistent. You can see it here. It's perfect. The red accent line really stand out and give the interior a sporty appearance. The foam, the padded, this all stuff feels thick enough to provide the additional comfort during the long drives. Overall, the quality feels much better than so many universal seat covers that I have seen before. Okay, so now let's talk about some of the key feature. One thing I really like is the full wrap design. Also, before we go further, let's see the manual. You can see if you order just the front pair, then you need to have this much of the material. So make sure before you start. For the full set, this is all you need to have. So I have opened everything and you can see. So you need here says 5 hooks, buckles 4 and chucks 22. So I already counted, everything is there and it's ready to go. So now let's talk about the other feature. Let me put this on the side. Okay, the main thing, it's like they are waterproof, scratch resistance, strain resistance and dust resistant, easy to wipe and clean. That's make it so ideal if you have kids, pets, or simply want to keep your vehicle looking new and very nice and very professional. The quality is super nice. These covers are designed as a universal fit for the seat covers. They are compatible with many popular vehicles including the Honda, Toyota, Ford, Chevrolet, Hyundai, Kia, Nissan, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Lexus, Jeep, Subaru, Volkswagen, Mazda, Audi and many more. I have a 2012 Honda Civic 4-door and my cover are like of a cloth. It's get dirty easily. So this will definitely help me a lot. So after taking everything out of the box, I am honestly so much impressed. The leatherette doesn't feel cheap. The stitching looks premium. The padding feels comfortable. The design, the look is so modern without being over the top. The color combination really gives the seat a luxury appearance. Based on the build quality alone, this seems like they could completely transform the interior of an older vehicle and make it so look nice. So my next step, it will be the installation. So I will share with you once I start the installation and will show you step by step how you can install the seat cover as well. So friends, you can see from the inside, it's 2012, but look at it, like the color is changed, it's fading. So I'm going to use one of the video that I have seen already for the seat cover. So it shows the step-by-step installation process so you can review it. So I'm going to start on mine now and let you know how it turns out at the end. Hello friends, so now after the installation you can see how beautiful the cars look right now, and fortunately you can see I had the same steering wheel. It's kind of a similar, so the looks is really great. The feeling, the material is so awesome. I'm already using this from last 2 days, so I definitely recommended to buy this product, and I am going to put the description of the product link and my affiliate link, so when you buy you will get 10% of discounts. So please go ahead, make your purchase, and you will be so happy. Thank you so much for watching.